Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Azure Key Vault access policies using role assignments, full guide step by step clearly. To verify Azure Key Vault access policies using role assignments, begin by logging into the Azure portal. Once logged in, navigate to the Key Vault section found on the left-hand sidebar. Select the specific Key Vault you want to verify access policies for. In the Key Vault overview, locate and click on the Access Policies option. Here, you will see a list of existing access policies configured for this Key Vault. To review role assignments, now click on the Access Control (IAM) tab located in the left panel. In the IAM section, you will find various role assignments for the selected Key Vault. Review the listed roles and the associated users, groups, or service principals. To ensure thorough verification, check the role definitions to understand the permissions granted. If you need to filter the assignments, use the search bar to find specific users or roles. For additional clarity, consider downloading the role assignment report by clicking on Download at the top of the page. Once you have reviewed the role assignments, compare them against the access policies listed earlier. This comparison will help identify any discrepancies between the access policies and role assignments. If you find unauthorized or unnecessary assignments, you can adjust them as needed. To modify a role assignment, click on the user or group and choose to remove or change their role. After all adjustments, confirm that the access policies align with your security requirements. Finally, document your findings and any changes made for future reference. This completes the process of verifying Azure Key Vault access policies through role assignments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.